Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something deeply personal, something that nature has been teaching me lately. The arts of embracing and flowing freely, like the wind, the rivers, and the trees. When I spend time in nature, I notice something beautiful and powerful. Everything flows effortlessly. The river doesn't force its way. It flows around obstacles, bending and twisting, but always moving forward. The trees don't hesitate. They don't resist the wind. They sway and dance with it. And as a highly sensitive person, I've often struggled with the idea of letting go and flowing freely. I've spent so much time resisting life, trying to control every outcome, and feeling overwhelmed by my emotions and the world around me. But here's what nature is teaching me. The river doesn't judge itself when it meets a rock. It simply flows around it. The tree doesn't break in the storm because it allows itself to bend. Nature is showing me that embracing life's flow means accepting that I don't have to control everything. It's okay to feel deeply, to be sensitive, and to move at my own pace. It's okay to be soft, just like the breeze, and strong like the mountains. By observing nature and this flow, I've realized I'm enough just as I am. Sensitive, emotional, strong, resilient. Nature is teaching me that there is beauty in embracing our true selves. It has shown me that it's safe to let go of control and trust the process, to live in alignment with who you are, just like the seasons change effortlessly and without hesitation. So I invite you to take a moment today, get outside, inhale some fresh air, and to connect with nature. wandered off too far. Go. Novi? I think Scotia is leading the way. He's leading the way. This dog is so smart. It's like he just intuitively knows. You smell that sap? It's a sappy tree. Come on, you can do it. As I wrap up this video, I just want to say that being in nature has been like having a wise, gentle teacher by my side. It's taught me to slow down, to listen, and to appreciate the beauty in simplicity. Every leaf, every breeze, every sunrise holds a lesson if we're willing to listen and look for it. I hope that sharing these reflections encourages you to find moments of stillness and connection, even if you're far away from the forest or nature. Nature has a way of growing us, of reminding us of what truly matters and bringing us back to ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found something meaningful here, please like and subscribe for more reflections like this, and feel free to share your own thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear what nature has taught you too. Until next time, take care and remember to let nature be your guide.